Well, hello there. Happy Wednesday to y'all. It is July the 6th of 2022. And your girl have had a very productive day. This is my very first time about to eat. So I got me some Whataburgers today, y'all. They got this new, I wanted to try this new pepper jack ranch. Ooh, fries is falling out. I got fries with it. It's falling out. I wish I had one of them trays, y'all. Like, I seen one of my favorite YouTubers, and she had like this little tray that I believe her dad had made for her. But anyway, yeah, it's a peppercorn, my bad, ranch chicken club sandwich. And I got the grill, but this is my first time eating today. I'm actually sitting out in their parking lot, and baby, I was like, woo! I'm so excited. Yes, here's how it's looking. Look at that. It looks so healthy, y'all. It's big. One thing I like about, I like ranch. They got bacon. I think it's romano, whatever you call it, lettuce and tomatoes, cheese on a grilled patty. I'm about to try this now. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Some got a little kick to it, huh? Mmm. This is good. Mm-hmm. I had a very productive day. I was so happy. They fries is okay, but I could tell they been had these. They still warm, but I could tell they would this here been up under the warmer just to keep them warm. Yeah, ain't like fresh. Mmm. This is my first meal. Mmm. And oh, so I asked the guy at the drive-thru. I say, "Yes, sir. Can I get a large cup of ice water?" He was so confused. He asked me again. He said, "Did you say large ice?" I say, "No, a large ice water." He say, "Oh," he said, "Okay, what size of ice?" I said, he said, "Do you want, oh, you don't want the water, you want the ice." I said, "No, I want both." When I tell you, he said, "Okay." I say, "Large." This is, I think they extra large. I think they're like, this like 64 ounce. This is not a large. A large come like right here to them, you know. And this is ice water. Hold on a minute. I got you. Okay. My God. I'm trying to get, hold on. I gotta get it out. Here you go. I'm gonna let y'all see this. What is this? This is ice. Just ice. So the baby gave me 64 ounces of ice. 64 ounces of ice water. That baby was confused. I was like, why is this baby so confused? But I came way over here to this side of town. It's over here where I stay, down the street. Because this Whataburger has crushed, you see that? Ooh. that crushed ice. Lord have mercy. I can't eat too much ice, you know. But I got a surprise I'm going to show y'all in a minute. But I'm about to eat some more of this. But he was so nice. I'm not going to lie. He was so nice. He just had like a little mix-up. You know what I mean? It looked like it's trying to rain. Let me hurry up and get to the house. Oh. It's on a toasted bun. I call it like my cousin's car. I felt like I was fasting today. Okay. Oh. Oh, don't fall. God is so good, y'all. He is so good. Shoot, this morning, like I said, I was being productive. Get my little hoof alone. I had, when I tell you, when I be praying about everything, when I see, you know, seeing God hearing my prayer and things start to come through, I said, wait a minute, hold up. Let me start to praying on about other stuff that in my life. Now I ain't gonna lie to you, when you pray, some things you have to pray a little harder and longer for, you know, for it to come through. But I say it's all right, so long as you make a, you know, make a step, God will, you know, carry you the rest of the way. You just got to keep your faith up, you know. And that's what I'm practicing. And I thank God he came through for me today. I felt good in my body. He gave me the strength to do what I need to do. I'm so happy. This is good. Sorry, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute what I got. What else they got new. I said, what? I had to get it. At least one of the new things they got. They got 3 things on that menu that's new. And it's a dessert. I don't want to eat too much dessert, but I'm just saying, you know. I'm so thirsty for water. I've been trying to be good. I'm drinking more water. Mm. Mm. I ain't gonna eat all the fries though. I just want enough just to fill that spot up. I'm gonna have to save room. Mm. Well, it'll be July. You know, ain't that hot as I thought. You know, and I'm not, okay, I'm not on wood or what, you know. Thank God. But I can tell I'm really thirsty. Let me show y'all this surprise right quick. Oh, they got an old Suburban. That's what they got. I'm gonna open it so y'all can see what it is before I tell y'all what it is and see, can y'all guess it? Oh, it's so creamy. Uh-oh, I don't want the... Okay. Ooh, I tasted it before I'm supposed to. Uh-oh, it's like it's raining. Hold on. Oh, no. All right, y'all. I'm going to tell y'all what it is. They got banana pudding shake for limited time edition, right? Limited edition. Mm. It's not bad. Mm-hmm. It's not bad. It's creamy. And they got shake. Shake is thicker than a malt. And they also got brownies too. I can't fit that right there. But I'm trying to sit this down on the floor. But you guys, I just wanted to just take out the time and just you know, have a little mukbang with y'all, and I was feeling blessed and I was excited about my day being productive as it's been. But I think I better head to this house, cause honey, me and rain, and it, no ma'am, we don't do too well because of baby can't hardly see, you know what I'm saying. And then second, I don't do, you know, wet, you know, because of my experience. I had got injured, you know, a couple years ago, so, you know, slipped and hurt myself. So anyway, I'm about to end this mukbang. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I will see y'all on the next one.